Welcome children. Today I am going to explain about the past tense. Before starting the past tense, let me tell you that in my previous classes I have already explained about all the forms of present tense and now I am going to explain about past tense. What is called the past tense? A verb that refers to the past time is called the past tense. For example, I played games. He wrote a letter. In these sentences, the word played and wrote indicates the past action. This past tense is divided into four parts. Number 1, simple past tense. Number 2, past continuous tense. Number 3, past perfect tense. Number 4, past perfect continuous tense. Now, I am going to explain about simple past tense. Simple past tense is also called the past indefinite tense. Let me first give you the rules of simple past tense. Rule 1. In case of simple past tense, if the sentence is given in the positive form, then second form of the verb and sometimes d or ed is added for regular verb. For example, the river flowed quietly on its way. In this sentence, the action flowed had already been completed in the past. Rule 2. In case of simple past tense, if the sentence is given in negative form, then did plus not plus first form of the verb is added. For example, I did not tell a lie. Remember that did means past, and if did is given in a sentence, then the verb is written in first form. Rule 3. In case of simple past tense, if the sentence is given in a question form or interrogative form, then did plus subject plus first form of the verb is added, or question word plus did plus subject plus first form of the verb is added. For example, number 1, did you go to school? Number 2, when did you go to school? Now let me tell you, where do we use simple past tense or past indefinite tense? Number 1, it is used to express an action that took place at some point of time in the past and also completed in the past. For example, he received this message last night. This sentence shows that the action had already been completed in the past. Another example, I knitted this sweater last month. This sentence shows that the action started in the past and had also completed in the past. Number 2, to say that something was correct for some time in the past. For example, he was the manager of our company for many years. This sentence shows that his action, that means his post as a manager, was real for some time in the past. Number 3, to express an action that was completed before the time of speaking. For example, the dancers performed well. This sentence shows that at the time of speaking, the dancer's performance had already been completed. Number 4, to express a sequence of events that happened in the past. For example, I cooked my lunch, packed my lunch box, drank tea and then went to school. This sentence shows that everything occurred as a sequence of events in the past. Number 5, to narrate a story. For example, there lived a mighty king in a huge palace. This sentence shows the narration of an old story. Number 6, to refer a period in the past. For example, we visited the Taj almost a year ago. This sentence shows that our visit has already been completed in the past. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.